I'm going to show how to adjust the finger bones so that bento hand poses work in Second Life. You may need to tweak it, depending on the poser you use, but it should be relatively close. I'll first make a quick character as an example. I prefer to have my characters in T-pose, for upload to Second Life, so I'll do that now. Choose the Rest Pose button and click on the drop-down list, then choose T-pose. I'm going to show how to adjust the finger bones, so that the avatar fingers deform properly, when using a bento hand poser in Second Life. Make sure you do this before you finalize your character. The finalize process applies the new bind pose to the character and bones, which is nice because it does some work for you. You'll notice that there are more segments for the finger bones than Second Life provides. These bones closest to the wrist should not be rotated, with exception to the thumb. The thumb base bone may need to be readjusted, but test it first. In this video I will move only the last 3 parts and then adjust the wrist a little bit. I'm using the top view mostly to restrict my rotation axis to Z, without having to press extra keys. Conveniently enough, it also allows me to see the best deformation for the fingers. After I'm done, I'll have a look at it from the front. As you can see, after I rotate a bone, I copy its value to the buffer, and paste it to the opposite side. I've done this quite a few times before, and I'm constantly dealing with Second Life characters, bento, and animesh. It is from that experience that I have a visual idea of how to position the finger bones. If you have difficulty with this, you can import a Second Life skeleton, or even just the static Second Life default avatar mesh, to use as a reference. In another video, I show how to do that. The fingers look good, but I don't like how the wrist is bent. I'll adjust it slightly. Don't forget to copy and paste the bone rotation to the other side. Now it's time to finalize. Save it as a normal Blender file. Upload the Blender file. Your avatar, with bento hands, is now converted and ready for download. I reduced 2 of these LOD, because they will not be seen the same way static mesh is, when the mesh is skinned and worn. Using the lowest LOD, as a physics shape, reduces the upload cost, and land impact, should it be resed in world. In addition to uploading with skin weights, make sure to check, include joint positions,